Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie, and this is my next weekly update regarding the Trade Compass trading alerts plan that I created, and I'm just providing my weekly progress. So I'm going to start actually with the spreadsheet that I created, and I want to tell you guys, so this side is my aggressive side actually. And this is me saying I'm trading at 0.1 standard lot, and I started with like $1,000 balance, and all this was kind of signing aggressive goals of, trying to catch 20 pips, 4 trades a day, trying to come up with $50 per day. That's what this means, this daily profit target. And then at the end of the week, did I meet my goal or not? Meaning, is my balance 1250 at the end of the week? So the first week, last week, was no. However, I created this other side which is more conservative, because this is aggressive to try and hit $50 a day with the alerts, with my aversion to manual trading anyway. So doing $50 a day is asking a lot of me, but it's an aggressive, and that's what I wanted to put out there. Aggressive versus this side is more conservative, more laid back, and more something that I'm tolerable about. So this is week 1, and I actually set it to me generating 10% weekly profit per week, and it compounds. So I'm not pulling any money out of this account yet. This is me building the account to a level where I'm going to be trying to pull 6 figures a year from it. So, and that would pretty much mean I want to be able to generate $500 a day, which is $2,500 a week. And so I'm hitting 6 figures with that. So 10% weekly profit is a phenomenal, it's above average performance actually, for a weekly profit, especially as it's compounding each week. So starting with the $1,000, and I actually had like 1,004 is what I started. And I just kind of rounded everything to make it easier. This is what my weekly profit should have been. And did I meet that goal? Yes, I did, because that's what my ending profit was last week. Okay, so even though aggressively I didn't meet it because I didn't make $250, I actually made $191. So I was short $60 last week. Go figure. But remember, I mentioned in my previous video it was a slower week. So now on to week 2. Did I meet my goal for week 2? The answer is no, because my ending balance as of week 2 is not at 1625. It is, however, yes on this, because week 2 is my ending balance above 1210. Yes, it is. My ending balance is actually 1586, which is very close to that 1625, and actually I would have made it had I not made an error yesterday. So and just to show proof of that 1586, here is the live trading account, and you'll see the balance is 1586. So that is that, and then I will also show you the FX Blue statement for that same account of 1586. It is a real account. So, and I'm showing you this because, as you can see, 581, so that's actually a really good profit. And if you want to look at the stats, this is my total return so far. Okay, monthly return on average, weekly percent to 25, peak drawdowns 1.4%. I'm actually doing pretty good with my manual trading. I'm at 70% accuracy. I feel pretty good about that. I've only been trading for 15 days. And as you want to look at my risks, look at my average win is $20. So an average trade is like almost an hour and a half, a little bit over an hour and a half. So I'm not really trying to stay in there all day every day, which is nice, because I'm only catching such a small amount of pips. And as you can see, this is what gold is, my main thing here, as you can see, because gold is more lucrative. And then the second one here is USD JPY. I really wasn't too fond of that, but I will tell you, USD to CAD, I didn't really like it too much this week. I only did 2 trades, and I think 2 trades in total, I think, up to this date. And one of them I know for sure was this week, and I didn't really like that one, because I just realized it was not a pip to dollar equivalent value. If I moved 5 pips, it was not giving me $5. It was giving me like 4 something, a little bit less. So I didn't like that currency too much. I didn't like that. And that's just because of the value of the US dollar to the Canadian dollar, which is fine, but I didn't like that too much. I prefer working with my 1-to-1. So I move 5 pips in this currency, I'm gonna get $5. So I like that. So I'm probably going to ignore trading with the US dollar to the CAD, Canadian dollar going forward, because I didn't really like that. That pip to value. So anyway, so that was just something I wanted to point out. And if you want to look at the analysis for the week, of course you see the symbols. The only one I'm 100% accurate on is the AU Australian dollar to US dollar. Of course, I'm doing pretty good with the euro, and I'm good with Swiss because I practiced on that one long. And then of course gold, boom, I got a lot on there because I made big money. And I usually trade at a higher lot with gold because I'm a little more accurate with it. But that's by symbol. But we're going to go to the week because we're on week 2. So as you can see, week 1 I made 18% profit. This week I made 33% profit. So that's why I am more than above my 10% compounding. And the orders, I want to show you, I would have been at over 1600 had I not done something really stupid. Okay. So, and it was with gold. Alright, so as you can see, I'm trading at 1 standard lot with gold, doing it a little higher, and that's because I make more money with gold. Okay, it moves faster. It'll give me my pip value, what I need, and to keep it moving. And it actually doubles my pip value. I probably can do 5 to 10 points actually with gold than I versus something else. And so the issue that I came up with it was I got a notification for gold, right? And it was descending wedge. So descending wedge, I'm actually supposed to buy. But what I did was, as you can see, I went ahead and I put a sell on. And actually I did it for 0.1 at first. So I put a sell on and I said, oh crap, I put a sell on. And then when it started going against me, I went ahead and started hedging. So I put more sells, at bigger lot sizes, and then I'm like, oh wait, I should have put a buy in. But then when I put the buy in, I was already too late. It was getting ready to start selling again. So that's where that loss came from. So pay attention to the alert because it was a descending wedge alert. When it's descending, that means I'm actually supposed to put a buy in, not a sell. But which is why I had to stay in the market longer and watch this a little bit longer than I really wanted to because it was late at night for me and I was tired and I didn't want to sit here for it, but I needed to sit here because I wanted to make sure it was actually going to move the way I needed to. Had I not did these sells, and if I would have put it in buy, I would have been more than made my profit for the week. I actually would have hit that aggressive weekly goal and the account would have been a little bit over 1625. So that's my error on that. But other than that though, I'm happy with what I made. I'm 33% profit. That's fantastic. So I'm actually, this is end of the week goal and I'm here. So I'm more than that. I'm actually past these 2 weeks too, honestly. I'm actually here if I wanted to start it. The following week. I'm actually in week 5 according to my current balance. And so really what I wanted to show you guys is this is where the goal is. So remember I said the goal was to hit 2,500 a week, right? Because that'll generate me a 6-figure income. That's $500 a day. So and this is what I'm saying that this manual trading account needs to be at for me to be successful in doing that, in trading with the lot sizes that I am trading with or higher, or the way I'm trading. Okay, and that tells me it would have took me 35 weeks to hit that goal. Well, I'm already at week 5 out of week 2, so I shortened that by 3 weeks already. So really, I'm probably going to hit it here. So the better I do with manual trading, the more the account will grow, the faster I'll hit this goal. And once I hit this goal, technically all this stuff you see afterwards is nothing. I'm just going to be trading with basically a $25,000 account. And, having 10% profit weekly out of it is generating me $2,500 a week. And that's my six-figure account. Okay? Excuse me, six-figure income. So that's what that is. That's the goal. So technically, as of right now, the goal is to reach it in week 35 if everything goes normal and I meet the minimum 10% each week. I'm ahead of the game right now, so I'm actually more at week 32. But I'm only going to be doing weekly videos up until week 10 because I still want to see if I can reach this goal aggressively. So I'm going to try and hit both. So I'm trying this way for aggressiveness if I'm going to hit it, and pretty much I'm just trading what I'm going to normally trade at these lot sizes according to the balance. So because I'm at 1586 and my balance was supposed to be 1625, I'm not trading at 0.15 yet. I'm still only trading at 0.1 until I reach this balance. Then I'll move up. Okay, but other than that, that's pretty much the update for the week. I'm still on target, so no, I didn't meet aggressive, but I did meet conservative, which is fine with me as long as I'm generating 10% profit weekly compounding. Sounds good to me. Alright, feel free if you guys need to contact me for any questions. Thanks for watching this video, and I am looking forward to discussing things with you guys more about Trade Compass and these wedge alerts. Take care, have a good day. Bye.